It's Halloween and I got some candy right here, but we gotta maintain social distancing. So to heck with the PVC tube, let's launch some candy at trick-or-treaters. So here's our remote control candy launcher. We're gonna come in close. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. And then we're gonna have some fun with it, loading candy up in here, see what flies the best, see what's gonna be the best candy to shoot from this thing. Have a little fun with it. Okay, let's take a look at exactly how this works. To start with, we have kind of a box. And if we look at the end of it here, you will notice that there's a pair of springs connected to these arms. So essentially, these arms are spring-loaded to pull out. Now, this is a manufactured thing. This is actually something used for training hunting dogs. It's designed to hold a quail or a pigeon and then release it for training your pointer. So if I just push this down in here and I fold this up over the top, this lever holds that shut. Now, if we look on the side, there's actually a little hook right here, and that goes out to a lever, and there's a small spring that keeps that held in place. So if I just push down that lever, and then let the spring pull that back, it's locked in place. Now, of course, what we would do is we would load this first, but I'm just showing you the basics of this. So with this loaded and ready to go, you can see how these springs are pulling tight. So as soon as this lever back here is pushed down, this whole thing releases and it shoots out whatever's inside. So I'm just gonna put my hand over this, release it. This is gonna fly open. These open up and shoom, out it goes. So that's the basics of it, but if we look at the back of the box, this is the magic that I added to make it all remote controlled. So right here, we have a remote control. Looks like something from your car. This is an aftermarket power door lock accessory kit that I bought. So right back here, what we have is the receiver from that power door lock setup, and we have a solenoid or an actuator. So essentially, you hit the lock button and this would pull, and if you hit the unlock, it would push. So what I've done here is screwed it in an appropriate position so that when it pushes down directly on this lever, and of course that springs open the trap. Now, the other things that I've got going on in here are a 12-volt fuse for protecting our wiring, and then kind of the important part over here is a 12-volt battery. These 12-volt batteries are great. This is like what you would use in a power screwdriver or a smaller cordless drill. It's lithium, it's rechargeable. I already had the battery, already had the charger. And what else I like about them is the connections they use here are basically just 1/4-inch spade connectors. So you can just take any wire, put a spade connector on there, and plug it in. Now, of course, polarity matters. So one is red just because the case is red, and then I marked the other side black for the negative. So if I put these both in the battery like this, this is now ready to go. And if I press the button, sure enough, we see a little bit of action right down here. So what I'm gonna do, unplug those, feed them through here, and then the battery has a nice little place to sit in this entire setup. It just goes through a hole sawed hole right here. Everything closes up so it's nice and out of the way. I hit that eject button and we're ready to go. So let's try this with something simple like a popcorn ball. I'm just gonna load it up, close it, flip that, hook it, and here we go. Whoa. We got some pretty good hang time on that popcorn ball. Now, of course, we don't want this going straight up, so I thought what we'd do is just take a piece of wood and we would set it on here just so that it's on an angle. So we'll shoot out instead of straight up. I launched a couple of popcorn balls, and let's just take their average, see how far we got. Oh, looks like a little shy of 21 feet, so I think that's good for social distancing. I think I have to practice my aim though, so let's give ourselves a target. This is so Wile E. Coyote. Okay, let's see if we can come anywhere close to hitting that. Okay, popcorn ball firing once. A little short. That one landed on the roof. That one also hit the roof. That one hit the camera, but pretty close. That was about where a trick-or-treater would probably be standing. Again, that's why I'm using the wiffle ball of snack foods right here, the popcorn ball. Popcorn ball 5. And that one stayed on the roof. Yes, that's what we want. So other than the popcorn ball that ended up on the roof, this isn't looking too bad, but of course, you don't usually get one trick-or-treater at a time. You get a couple of them. What if I had 3 trick-or-treaters at a time? Well, the good thing is I can fit 3 popcorn balls. So popcorn balls really aren't bad ammo, but maybe they're not the favorite treat of your neighborhood kids, which means it's time to bust out the chocolate. And this might also be a good time to bring out our volunteer trick-or-treater, because I have a feeling that this is going to go off like chocolate scattershot.
No.
What?
No!
Trick-or-treat!
No! I was scared. I'm gonna pick all this up. Do it now! I need to stand farther back. Triggerless.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! I caught one.
Did you? For real? Cool.
Right there.
Nice job.
Ah, candy! We're bad at this guy. Oh, I caught 2 things. Ah, candy! It's raining candy. We're bad at this guy.
I got an umbrella. You want an umbrella?
Yeah!
Here it comes. Trick or treat. Okay, Sophie's got a different idea this time. Ready?
Yeah. We're bad at this guy. Oh, I caught 2 things.
Trick or treat.
Got hit in the stomach with a football.
Well, look at that. Some of
This
it.
one bounced off me. Yeah.
Butterfingers?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Wait, we're gonna watch the camera?
sure.
Why?
Why not?
We're watching Daddy's camera.
Sophie, you want some Butterfingers?
Yes! Trick or treat. Yeah! Hey!
Wow, that actually works.
Wow.
Trick or treat candy! Just need an umbrella, that's all. Okay, what else do you want?
What else do you have?
Whatever's in this pile right here.
Okay, we're gonna put my 2 on. So we're gonna shoot these 2?
Sure.
Okay, I'm ready.
Look at how much is up there.
I don't know.
We seem to be having a problem with
The roof?
candy on the roof. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I caught it!
Woo!
You get to catch candy, and then you get to eat the candy.
Okay, we're gonna put this entire bag of Smarties in here. This is a pound of Smarties.
A pound of... Wait, is it actually a pound? I got the bag.
Make sure it's angled appropriately. Here we go. 1 pound of Smarties. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
One fell in my shirt. Get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out. It's raining candy. It's raining candy from out of the sky.
Okay, let's do a candy autopsy here to see what candy really worked and what didn't. To start with, this here is a blow pop. In that one, it's brittle. You know, it hit the pavement and the candy kind of got destroyed. Plus, you got that big pointy stick to poke in a kid's eye, so that's no good either. But on the opposite end, fruit snacks, gummy bears, that sort of thing, actually flew better than I thought they would. Plus they're soft, you know, hit a kid in the head, that's fine, no big deal there. Popcorn balls, pretty good overall. A little less aerodynamic than I thought they would be, but they take abuse pretty well. I launched some of these multiple times and they really stayed together well, except for that one up on the roof. Another loser, something soft like a Reese's peanut butter cup. What happens is if these hit anything hard, the edge deforms, they crack. You know, it's just not as good of a piece of candy there anymore. But the big winners in general really were all these fun-sized chocolate bars. They really hold up pretty well. They fly well. Plus they're chocolate, so the kids are gonna absolutely love them. So kind of unscientific here, but stay away from the soft stuff like peanut butter cups. Stay away from the hard stuff like lollipops, hard candies, jawbreakers, as hilarious as that would be. Plus, you know, poke in the eye hazards. But those soft things, gummy bears, fruit snacks, and the little chocolate bars all worked fantastic. I hope you like these videos. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you next time.